session we have seen how to find out the dimensions of the retaining wall and how to find out the thickness of the stem. So now we'll start with the stability analysis. So in stability analysis, first we will check for overturning. Okay, so the first check for overturning. ठीक है, so check for overturning के लिए factor of safety is given by summation MR upon summation MO should be greater than or equal to 1.55. Okay, so this is the criteria to be satisfied for check for overturning, where summation MR is the sum of the resisting moments. It is the sum of resisting moments, and summation MO is the sum of overturning moment. It is the sum of overturning moments. Okay, so about the end of the toe. Okay, so this is about the end of the toe. Okay, so this check for overturning is given in IS code. Okay, in clause 20.1. Okay, so in the IS code it is given as slightly different. Okay, so in IS code it is given as, okay, I'll just show you. In the IS code it is given as 0.9 into summation MR upon summation M naught should be greater than or equal to 1.4. Okay, so if you take this 0.9 here, so this will become the same. Okay, so we are directly considering this. Okay, so just for your information, I'm showing you this, that in the IS code it is mentioned like this. Okay, so don't get confused. If you divide this 1.4 by 0.9, you will get this same. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so even though if at all this question is asked in the MCQs, okay, so according to the options you have to give the answer. ठीक है, अगर MCQ में भी अगर ये factor of safety अगर the question is asked, ठीक है, तो based on the options you will have to answer. Okay, so after this we will find out the weight and the distance of the CG of the weight from the toe. Okay, so that we have to find out now.
So your view is not visible.
Yes, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Okay. Okay, so I'll just show you in the IS code. So let me share my screen. Okay, I'll just, okay. Okay, so here you can see on page 33, clause 20.1. Okay, so here you can see the stability of a structure as a whole against overturning shall be ensured so that the restoring moment shall not be less than the sum of 1.2 times the maximum overturning moment due to characteristic dead load, and okay, this is important, 1.4 times the maximum overturning moment due to characteristic imposed loads. Okay, so in cases where dead load provides the restoring moment, only 0.9 times the characteristic dead load shall be considered. Restoring moment due to the imposed load shall be ignored. Okay, so this 0.9 actually मैंने जो अभी बताया equation is considered, so that becomes 1.55. Okay, so this is the clause. If you want to refer, you can refer this clause. So accordingly, if at all this question is asked in the MCQs, so you have to answer according to the options given in the question. Okay, so now let us come back to the numerical. Okay, so now let us find out the weight and the distance of the CG. So for that, okay, so we will do this in a tabular form, so it becomes easy for us to analyze. So just make a table like this, take a type, and then weight W in kilonewton, and then distance of the CG from toe. Okay, distance of the CG from toe, let us say in meters, and finally the moment we have to find out in kilonewton meter. Okay, so all of you quickly make a table like this. Okay, so first we'll start with type W1. Okay, I hope this figure is also visible to everyone. So here this is W1. So now tell me what is the weight of this W1, this portion W1. Okay, so this weight will be given by, okay, so half into base कितना है इसका. Okay, so if this total is 300, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, इतना 150 है. So this will
150.
also 150. ठीक है, so base into height कितना है, 4.575 into density. ठीक है, so this will become, give me the value. ठीक है, so all of you be ready with your calci and quickly give me the values.
8.578.
8.578. So let us say 8.58. ठीक है, so now we have to find out the distance of the CG from the toe. ठीक है, तो इसका जो distance है, ठीक है, suppose यहाँ पे CG है, तो इसका distance from the toe मतलब यहाँ से. ठीक है, so this distance
2/3h plus 1.
perfect. ठीक है, so this is 1 meter. ठीक है, यहाँ से 1 meter है plus 2/3. ठीक है, plus 2/3 into 0.15. So this will become how much?
1.1.
1.1. Okay, so this is 1.1. So now what is the moment? Moment is nothing but this multiplied with the distance. Take a force into distance.
9.43.
9.438. Okay, you can use the chat box. Okay, write in the chat box 9.438. So let us say 9.44. ठीक है, तो मोमेंट मिल गया W1। सो नाउ सिमिलरली डू फॉर W2। ठीक है, तो W2 का कितना है टोटल वेट? ठीक है, सो दिस इज 0.15 और हाइट है 4.75, तो 0.15 इंटू 4.575 इंटू डेंसिटी 25 इज नथिंग बट, ठीक है, यूज द चैट बॉक्स एवरीवन, 17.15, 17.15, ठीक है, 3 डिजिट्स में यू कैन आंसर। एंड this distance will become how much? ठीक है, तो W2 के लिए, ठीक है, रेफर दिस, सो 1 प्लस 0.15 प्लस 0.15 by 2, इज दिस क्लियर? 1 प्लस 0.15 प्लस 0.15 by 2, ठीक है, तो 1.225, ठीक है, W2 कितना है 17 पॉइंट अदर्स 15 है, चेक करो बताओ। So now let us
21.00
21 point
moment 00
008, ठीक है, so let us take 21.01 W3, ठीक है, सो W3 देखो यहाँ पे वेट ऑफ द बेस स्लैब कितना हो जाएगा 3 इंटू उसका थिकनेस कितना है 0.425 इंटू डेंसिटी, और इसका डिस्टेंस बताओ क्या हो जाएगा फ्रॉम द टो, ठीक है, इट विल बी डायरेक्टली 3/2, है ना, 1.5, and how much is this W3?
31.878
31.878, so let us say 88, ठीक है, this into this, so now let us find out for W4 also, ठीक है, so W4 क्या है सॉइल है, ठीक है, सॉइल का अभी देखो डायमेंशंस क्या है, एक तो हाइट, ठीक है, हाइट विड्थ कितना है 1.7 इंटू हाइट कितना है 4.575, और यूनिट वेट ऑफ सॉइल कितना है 18, ठीक है, so you will get this, yes, what is 31.875, which value? अच्छा, ये सॉइल W3, ठीक है, व्हाट अबाउट दिस मोमेंट, ठीक है, सो W4 आल्सो वी गॉट, ठीक है, W3 का मोमेंट बताओ टोटल,
47.82
ओके 47.82, ठीक है, यूज द चैट बॉक्स एवरीवन टू आंसर द, टू गिव द वैल्यूज, ठीक है, W4 का अभी CG का डिस्टेंस एनीवन, W4 का CG का डिस्टेंस, ठीक है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है, ये है 1 मीटर प्लस 300 mm प्लस 1.7/2, ठीक है, so this is 1 plus 0.3 plus 1.7/2, ठीक है, so give me this weight distance,
140
so this is 140 distance,
2.15
2.15, and moment
301
moment is 301, okay, so now we got all the weights and the moment, so this is the resisting weight summation WR, and this is summation MR, ठीक है, अभी समेशन WR बताओ, ये सबका समेशन करो 1 W1 W2 W3 W4,
$197.608.
197.6,
0.608.
so let us see
08.
61. ठीक है, so this we got summation WR. अभी summation MR, anyone?
$379.27.
Okay, 379.27. Okay, so we got summation WR and summation MR. ठीक है, तो अभी फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी निकालने के लिए summation MO भी चाहिए, which is the sum of the overturning moments. So now let us find out calculation of overturning weight and moment. Overturning weight and moments. ठीक है, so this P naught. ठीक है, so let us find out P naught. ठीक है, so overturning weight we have to find out. ठीक है, overturning force, so this will be given by, ठीक है, E. ठीक है, so consider this now. ठीक है, overturning किधर से होगा, right at this point. So this total force will be given by half into ये base कितना है 30 into total height कितना है 5. Okay, so how much is this? Yes, ठीक है, so how much is this? Yes, 75. ठीक है, so this is 75 kilonewton. ठीक है, so this is per meter width of the wall. Now M naught will be given by P naught into H by 3. So this is nothing but 75 into, so ये कितना हो गया 125 किलोन्यूटन मीटर. ठीक है, ये तुम्हारा ओवरटर्निंग वेट और ओवरटर्निंग मोमेंट मिल गया. सो नाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस क्राइटेरिया, चेक कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो नाउ फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी अगेंस्ट ओवरटर्निंग, फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी अगेंस्ट ओवरटर्निंग इज गिवन बाय समेशन MR अपॉन समेशन M नॉट. ठीक है, समेशन MR है 379.27 और समेशन M नॉट है 125. So how much is this? 3.03. So which is greater than 1.55. So hence it is safe. So hence it is safe in overturning. Okay, so quickly make a note of this. Yes, done with this everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so let us go for the next check now, that is check for sliding. ठीक है, so the second check, let us go for the second check, that is check for sliding. ठीक है, so check for sliding के लिए factor of safety क्या है? So this is given by the equation mu into summation WR upon P. ठीक है, overturning P. ठीक है, so the equation for this is ठीक है, so this P naught is the overturning moment. ठीक है, ओवरटर्निंग तुम्हारा कहाँ पे होगा, ठीक है, व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट PO, दैट इज ओवरटर्निंग मोमेंट, वी आर टेकिंग द कंप्लीट हाइट, ठीक है, तो यहाँ से ओवरटर्न होगा ना, यहाँ से, तो कंप्लीट हाइट कितना है 5, ठीक है, सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस, ठीक है, ओवरटर्निंग मोमेंट के लिए कंप्लीट हाइट वी हैव टू टेक, ठीक है, रिमेंबर दिस. सो नाउ the check factor of safety for sliding, it is mu into summation WR upon PO, ठीक है, so WR also we have calculated, how much is that, ठीक है, so here you can see summation WR resisting weight 197.61, ठीक है, so mu कितना है 0.55, so this is 0.55 into summation WR 197.61, 197.61 upon P is 75. Okay, so how much is this? 1.449. So let us say 1.45, but this is not greater than 1.55. ठीक है, so hence it is unsafe. ठीक है, तो ये स्लाइडिंग में सेफ नहीं आ रहा है. So what we will do, we had discussed in the theory lecture, स्लाइडिंग में तो सेफ नहीं आ रहा है, तो अभी क्या करेंगे, yes, we will provide a shear key, so you can write hence provide shear key, ठीक है, so that we will see at the end how to provide the shear key. So check for sliding is done. Now the next check is check for soil pressure, ठीक है, third check is check for soil pressure, okay, so here this P max is given by the equation summation WR, ठीक है, so you'll have to remember this equation, B into 1 plus 6 times E upon B, and P minimum is given by the equation summation WR upon B into 1 minus 6 E upon B, ठीक है, so P max के लिए it is plus and P minimum के लिए it is minus, where, ठीक है, where E is equal to B by 2 minus X bar, and what is X bar, and X bar is summation MR minus summation MO upon summation WR. So these are the equations for check for soil pressure, ठीक है, so now सबसे पहले find out the value of X bar, फिर E find out करो, फिर P max और P minimum find out करो. Yes, all of you quickly give me these values. All the values we have already calculated. We have the value of MR, MO, WR. We have the value of B. So find out P max and P minimum. Okay, so let us calculate the value of X bar first. So X bar is given by, ठीक है, MR कितना है, MR 379.27,
So
minus,
1.286.
okay, MO is 125 and WR is 197.61. Okay, so this is 1.286, and now E is equal to B है 3 और x bar है 1.286, so this will become 0.214. So therefore P max is given by WR. ठीक है, WR is 197.61 upon B is 3, 1 plus 6 into E कितना है 0.214 upon B कितना है 3. Similarly P minimum is 197.61 upon 3, 1 minus 6 into 0.214 upon 3. Yes, what is P max and P minimum, anyone? ठीक है,
Sir,
so
P max
basically you can consider
94.06.
okay 94.06 and this is 37 point, let us say 68. ठीक है, so basically that is per meter width we are finding out, so you can only write B, so no problem. So this is kilonewton per meter square, this is kilonewton per meter square. ठीक है, so इसका चेक कैसे पता चलेगा? So this P max, ठीक है, जो प्रेशर आ रहा है, so that should be less than the SBC. ठीक है, so it should be less than the SBC of the soil, so hence you can say that it is safe. And जो P minimum है, it should always be greater than 0, so hence you can say that it is safe. ठीक है, so tension failure नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है, so less than 0 आया मतलब tension में चला जाएगा, so that should not happen. So this value should be greater than 0 and this should be less than your SBC, so hence we can say that for soil pressure it is safe. ठीक है, so you can show the diagram also, but I don't have space here. So at the bottom of this, ठीक है, so at the bottom of this retaining wall, ये जो soil pressure है, so here you can show, ठीक है, ये upward soil pressure है, so this upward soil pressure is like this. ठीक है, तो ये upward soil pressure है, तो यहाँ पे P minimum कितना है 37.68 और ये 94.06. ठीक है, so this is 94.06. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे I don't have, ठीक है, I'll just draw this pressure diagram. ठीक है, तो ये cantilever wall के right below I'm talking about. ठीक है, so right below the cantilever wall, ठीक है, तो suppose this is the cantilever base slab है और ये wall है. ठीक है, I hope this is visible. So I'm just showing the value of P minimum. ठीक है, P minimum कितना है 37.68, P maximum 94.06. This is the soil pressure, upward soil pressure. ठीक है, so just draw this for your understanding. After this check for soil pressure. ठीक है, all of you done with this check now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us go to the next step. ठीक है, so now the next step is design of the stem. So the next step is design of the stem. So let us move on to the next step, design of the stem. ठीक है, so first we'll find out, ठीक है, we have already find out the thickness of the stem, so what is remaining to find out the steel? So first let us find out the main steel. ठीक है. सो मेन स्टील मोमेंट कितना है mu, गिव मी द वैल्यू क्विकली. mu कितना है इसका? यस
143.63 kilonewton.
yes 143.63. ठीक है. सो मोमेंट वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड. नाउ व्हाट इज द ओवरऑल डेप्थ ऑफ द स्टेम? ठीक है. s मतलब स्टेम. ठीक है. ओवरऑल थिकनेस कितना था?
4.575.
Sorry, thickness. I'm asking about the thickness of the stem. Overall depth of the stem 300 है ना?
Yes, sir.
300 mm. और effective depth कितना था? कितना प्रोवाइड किया है? 250. So now on the basis of this, can you find out AST required, which is given by 0.5 FCK BD upon FY into 1 minus under root 1 minus 4.6 mu upon FCK BD square. ठीक है. So you have all the value. mu है. ठीक है. Effective depth है. b is 1 meter. ठीक है. I'll just substitute the values. Give me the answer quickly. 0.5 FCK is 20 और d कितना है? 250. Fe 415. 1 minus under root 1 minus 4.6 mu है. 143.63 into 10 raised to 6. FCK is 20, B is 1000 or T is 250. Yes, quickly give me the value of steel. Okay, so you'll get the value of steel. Zainab is saying 1887.85. 1887.85. Yes, others, just check. So we got the value of AST required. So now we will check this steel with AST minimum also. ठीक है. तो AST minimum का equation क्या है? Anyone?
0.12 PD.
0.12% of the gross cross-sectional area. So this is 0.12%. B और D है 300. So ये कितना आ रहा है? ठीक है. 12 3 636. So this is obviously more than AST minimum. So now let us select a suitable diameter and find out the spacing. So let us assume, ठीक है, स्टील तो ज़्यादा है, तो let us assume 16 mm diameter bar. ठीक है. So therefore spacing, ठीक है, spacing क्या है? Area of one bar upon area required into 1000. ठीक है. कितना आ रहा है ये? And what is the criteria? 3D or 300 mm, whichever is less. Okay. So therefore, yes, what is this spacing? Anyone? So therefore provide 16 torr at how much?
106.50.
106.50 mm. So let us provide 16 torr at 100 mm center to center. Okay, so we got the main steel. So now let us find out the distribution steel also. Distribution steel. ठीक है. तो AST तो we have already calculated. AST minimum is 360. So using 10 mm diameter bars. So let us use 10 mm diameter bars. Spacing कितना है? ठीक है. स्पेसिंग का वैल्यू बताओ जल्दी. 360. एंड ठीक है, सेकंड क्राइटेरिया क्या है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का, एनीवन?
5D और 450 mm.
5D और 450 mm whichever is less, करेक्ट। ठीक है, ये कितना आ रहा है? ये स्पेसिंग 558 आ रहा है। Yes, so therefore
Sir,
provide
218.16.
to 18.16 mm. So therefore provide 10 torr at 200 mm center to center as the distribution steel। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे रिमेंबर मेन स्टील तुम्हारा वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में रहेगा और जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टील रहेगा वो हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में रहेगा। ठीक है, दैट वी विल सी इन द reinforcement detailing, don't worry। So we got the reinforcement for the stem। ठीक है, मेन स्टील भी मिल गया, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टील भी मिल गया।